Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the EduGen Technologies, which is an education platform for both teachers and students. So if you want to join and create an account on this platform to use it to see how it works, click on the link in the bio or comment section if you are watching on TikTok. If you are watching on YouTube, you can also click on the link in the description or in the comment section. Once you click on that link, you'll be brought to this homepage. Once you are on this homepage, to create an account, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, add your phone number here. After that, put your email address here. After that, choose who you are, whether you're a student, teacher, or parent. But in this video, I'm going to choose a student because the procedure is the same. After that, put your full names here. After you put your full names, choose your education level. There's early childhood, 3 to 4 years or 4 to 5 years. Then there's primary, 1 to 6 years and a new curriculum. There is also secondary and a new curriculum from 1 to 4 and the old curriculum, secondary, grade 10 to 12. In this video, for the sake of those that are learning with me online, you choose grade 10. After you choose grade 10, create your password. After that, click on create account. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email address. Go and collect it. Click there. Here is your verification code. Get your verification code and go and put it there. Put your verification code here. Click verify and create account. Just like that, your account is created. For those who are with me online, you can get this student ID and share it with me so that we can get linked, so that you'll be able to receive homework and also study notes. So for generating document and how to generate study notes, how to generate study guide, revisions, assignment, I will create another video. But before that, if you want to log out, create on logout. Click on logout. After that, if you want to come in again, you don't need to sign up. You need to click on login. Once you click on login, put your phone number that you had used. After that, put your password that you had used. Then click login. Just like that, you'll be logged in. So for those in my online tuitions, this is where you'll be receiving homework, and the library, this is where you'll be getting the notes. And for the tests, you'll be getting them here. And this platform, this is where you get your notes. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. For now, bye.